our body and mind. Starting your day with a cup of herbal tea can improve your overall health. It's a healthier alternative to coffee that still provides a refreshing start to the day. Chamomile tea is a popular choice for relaxation. It contains compounds that may promote sleep and reduce anxiety, helping you wind down after a busy day. Peppermint tea is another favorite. It's not just refreshing, it also promotes healthy digestion. A cup after meals can help soothe an upset stomach or heartburn. Ginger tea is a powerful natural remedy for nausea and inflammation. It can be especially beneficial for pregnant women or those undergoing chemotherapy. Echinacea tea is known for boosting the immune system. It's ideal for cold and flu season, helping your body to fight off infections. For those who suffer from migraines, feverfew tea can provide relief. This herb has been used for centuries to prevent and treat headaches. Green tea is a true powerhouse. Packed with antioxidants, it can boost your metabolism, promote heart health, and even slow down the aging process. Hibiscus tea is known for its blood pressure-lowering properties. This floral brew can be a great addition to your heart-healthy diet. Rooibos tea, native to South Africa, is high in antioxidants and free of caffeine. It can support healthy skin, bones, and heart. Dandelion tea is often overlooked but offers significant benefits. It can assist in detoxifying the body and promoting a healthy liver function. Lavender tea is another great option for relaxation. Its calming aroma can help reduce stress and promote a good night's sleep. Rosehip tea is packed with vitamin C, making it an excellent choice for boosting your immune system. Lemon balm tea can soothe symptoms of stress, help you relax, and even improve your mood. Nettle tea is a natural antihistamine which can alleviate allergy symptoms. It's also rich in iron, which can help prevent anemia. Yerba mate tea is a traditional South American brew known for boosting energy levels. It's a healthy and natural alternative to your usual energy drink. With such a variety of herbal teas, there's bound to be one that suits your needs. Incorporating them into your daily routine can boost your wellness naturally. So, steep a cup and reap the benefits. Experience the healing power of herbal teas today.